Look at this for a beautiful morning. Water's no current at all, nothing, there's nothing, just ripply water. Get it up there.
Did you say nipply water?
Didn't say nipply water. It said ripply water. But look how that is beautiful. This morning we've got a coffee pot on. And we're, oh, there's a big spider as well. I don't know if you can see it there going across. Yeah, up dead early this morning. Up crack of dawn, whoever dawn is. Only one's up of our neighbours. Lazy sods, come on.
Look at solar just catching corner.
Tony, stop going on about solar.
Just catching corner, it's coming.
Can you see that bit there? That bit there where your sun's on it?
It's coming.
If Tony gets excited, I don't know if you've seen that programme, what's the one where they do Dove from Above?
Shooting stars.
Shooting stars, but it goes coo coo. Tony does that kind of.
I do it to sun.
Sun, yeah, coo. There's sun coming in. There's sun coming in. I know this is my morning face, but
I think what I have to look at every day.
I've got mascara all down my eyes. But yeah, he'll go to me, Helen, he'll say, we've got more coming in, energy wise, we've got more coming in than we've got going out. And he'll plug everything in, you want what, do what you want.
Yeah, charge everything, charge.
Yeah, that's what we do. And that's what
Everybody
Tony does.
Everybody does that.
Yeah, it's funny, isn't it? So we've got the boat's coming, a boat's coming. And then he'll go to me, he'll say, there's a boat coming, and then he'll say, don't make it obvious you're looking. And obviously it says me, he's happy, have you tried?
The boat nearly tips over.
I'm trying to have a nosy. And I pretend I'm washing up, so if you see me at the arch, I'm not washing up, because you can only watch so many times you can wash up. I'm just waiting, I've got a tea towel in my hand and I'm just waiting for you to come past so I can go, hiya, like that. But some people just completely ignore me, and then Tony thinks that's brilliant, and he'll just go, nope, nothing. So not everybody wants being friendly, do they? They just want to ignore you. But there's me like sort of gesturing out with a tea towel.
You don't even wash up.
No, I don't. Come for a little mooch round. And we came here in dark last night. Here he is, he's not happy. Sorry, Tone. I'm just showing him a little bit of where we are. I'm hobbling. Tony's leading the way. He's just said it's a great opportunity to bury me in woods.
I think I need machinery though.
Oh, cheeky bugger. It's like stuff like this here. Like, look, that's they're dead spiky. I don't know what they are, thistles or something. But the same height as my nipples. You've got to be careful. My nipples are not where they should be. So look at these are nice fishing things, fishing ponds. We've passed, this is the second we've passed. I couldn't video anymore because I couldn't breathe because I was so tired. It's killing me. Tony walks like a bloody Sergeant Major. But yeah, it's really good. Really pretty. There's loads of different walks on here, but I'm shattered. Well, I am sat here this morning and I am absolutely shattered. We are both, aren't we, Tony? We are knackered. 3 o'clock, bang on actually 3 o'clock this morning. I heard Tony sleeps with earplugs in because I snore too loud and Bruce does. And he only sleeps with them in when I'm here. So you'll have to excuse that tea towel hanging up. I've just hung it up behind my head. So Tony sleeps with earphones when I'm here. He doesn't normally. Earplugs. And 3 o'clock this morning, I heard a massive bang and then an alarm going off. Now, you know we've got the new camera. So I'm jabbed Tony in the back. He said I did it quite hard. Yeah, you did. I'm sorry. And I went, Tony, someone's breaking in, because that was my automatic thing. I thought somebody had broken through the front doors. Oh, I don't know, because it's that secure. And the alarm had gone off because the previous night I had to get up in the middle of the night because I didn't feel well, and I lied on the settee. And early hours of early morning, 7:30, Tony set the alarm off and was putting the light on, so to wind me up. So I thought it was that. Anyway, it's ended up we weren't being broken into at all, but you can imagine an alarm going off, constant alarm as well, really and a really loud.
At 3 o'clock in the morning.
3 o'clock in the morning, big massive bang. You think the worst, don't you? Tony's, I'm still lying in bed. Tony's running up and down in his boxer shorts, wondering what's going on, half asleep. Anyway, he went to go outside, and the trolley that we use, you know, for shift everything about, it had tipped over and had only landed on the arm. So Tony went, I found it. So it was only about, you know, a couple of minutes, but it felt like ages. But obviously we've got a boat in front of us at the pontoons at Anderton, because obviously we're all stuck, aren't we? Because the lift's broken. So we're all stuck here for another couple of weeks. So obviously we're going to have to apologise to this man, because the horn was constantly going on for about only about a minute, 2 minutes, if that max. But 3 o'clock in the morning, horn's giving it plenty, and the trolley had fallen over and landed on the bloody horn. So we're shattered, aren't we, Tony? We couldn't go back to sleep. It was 4:15, so we've had really little sleep today. But it's all interesting on a boat. It's really interesting. So we're sat here in our pyjamas having a cup of tea, and then a cup of coffee, should I say. We're not tea drinkers. And then we'll it's going to be a lazy day today.
Should we have a gin?
Yeah, it might be. So this is what happened in the night. The trolley fell from there to there. Can you see in it the horn? That's what happened. Bruce is having one of his mad ones. Bruce, don't run at me, you frighten me when you do that. What's he doing? No. Thing is though, he gets hold of Tony with his teeth and he can hurt him. Come here, you daft lad, that'll be it for him now. He's tired now. He'd only gone from there to boat there. He's having a wee now. He's funny. What did you just do then, Tony? How long is that wee he's having?
No eye contact.
I mean, Bruce, he doesn't even cock his leg, the lazy bugger. He's had enough now. So today we've had our survey done for the boat to see if we're shipworthy. They checked the anchor, said we've got fantastic anchor, didn't it?
Best inshore.
Best inshore, and he said we've got the best oil. What was
Fuel
it?
filter.
Fuel filter is seen.
Best inshore.
We've got boating David there on Snowgoose, and Paul just there. He's got a boat up there called Rockin' Robin. We've all been sort of giving each other moral support. And quite a lot of boats have been done today. We had a meeting, it's all gone well. There's Tony, like 3 bloody musketeers, these 3. They've been murder tormenting all day. You can see where I've had my sunglasses. So we've done, we had a meeting, because obviously we're stuck on the Weaver with the river, with the Anderton lift being broken, and they had a meeting for us at 10:30 this morning. They give us coffee, and we had a meeting with somebody who does the surveys and knows all about the ship canal, and it was really interesting, weren't it? We learnt loads. So they checked our fire extinguishers, they checked our life jackets, the anchor had to be so long. Yeah, he said it was our anchor was the best.
Best is seen today.
Best is seen today, should I say.
And fuel filter.
And fuel filter. Tony's just not letting it go, and David's going mad because he's voting. David's just not happy about that at all. What else did they check today, Tony?
Life jackets.
Oh, it said life jackets.
Said,
anchor.
Weed hatch and all that.
Fire extinguishers.
Weed hatch, horn, bilge pump.
All right, Tony, give me a minute. One at a time. Jesus Christ.
They were all best in show.
No, they weren't. Fire extinguishers have to be, he said it recommends that you get them changed every 4 years when you and give them a shake as well. He said if you shake them, because all the powder or something goes to the bottom of them, so you should shake them every time you change your gas bottle, shake your fire extinguishers so they stay in good use. Bilge pump, he checked the horn. What else? Weed hatch. And he actually checked whether your tiller was wobbly, and he actually failed to today, unfortunately, due to the tillers not being right. So he was quite thorough, but it's for your safety, isn't it? So it's Wednesday now, and we're looking to start being shipped off in 4s, 2 lots of 4s each day on Monday. So next week we should be off the River Weaver. It's been brilliant. We've really enjoyed it. We've had a good fun day actually with David and Paul. And there's a boat behind us as well. I don't know what the boat, that one there, I don't know their name, the boat name, but they've been good fun as well. So there's David being naughty again. Give us a wave, David. He's being naughty all day.
I'm a good boy.
You're not. He's a bugger. So yeah, he's been tormenting us all day. Him and Tony are a right pair. And Paul's gone back down there. He's walking down to his boat, which is in the centre of the second boat along. There he's off. There you are. Bye, David. He's a character, really funny. And he's gone. Well, it's a bit of a different morning here today. It's a bit windy, a little bit chilly, a little bit rainy. So we're going having cake and a nice coffee at Anderton. Boat lift. Going to boat lift. Lots of boats have gone from here now. So they're all ready to, we're just waiting for a date to when we're going to be taking off here. We're hoping to travel with boating David off Snowgoose. Many of you will know him if you're into boating, and we're hoping to travel with him and get back to where he's going. Well, good morning everybody. I am currently sat at Venetian Marina because they have been really kind, and they're letting me leave. Well, they said we could leave both of our cars here while we sail back from Anderton. Boat lift where, see I said it right then, obviously where we're stuck. So what's happened is I've driven to, so I've got air in my eyes, I've driven to Venetian Marina because that's going to be where we stop off. We're following boating David on Narrowboat Snowgoose. We are buddying up with him at Anderton, and he's going to be our buddy as we come off the ship canal. They're shipping us out in batches of 4 because obviously the lift's broken, so we can't go back onto the Trent and Mersey. So we've been on the River Weaver now for about 8 weeks, 9 weeks, something like that. We've been stuck for about 3-4 weeks. So what they're doing is, we are today, Tony's filled up with water and everything like that. I've driven down to Venetian Marina. He's going to come and drive. He's coming from Anderton to Venetian, and then we're going to park one of the cars up. Thank you so much, Venetian Marina, for letting us park in your car park. I emailed them, and Zoe, the general manager, she couldn't be more helpful if she tried, so thank you for that. We explained we were helping somebody come back, and we're going to, and then Tony's going to go back. We're going to go back to Anderton in the other car, and then we plan to do the 2 locks, Saltersford and Dutton Lock, is it, I think, on the Weaver. Meet up with boating David, and then we are going to moor up for the night, and near the Thomas Edison, I always get it wrong, don't I? That posh boat, that big posh boat, we're going to moor up near Daniel Adamson, that's it. We're going to moor up near there, and we have got our crossing booked with the CRT and the ship canal people at 9 o'clock Wednesday morning, tomorrow morning. So we've got a bit of cruising today, and then tomorrow you buddy up with somebody where we bought in David, but you buddy up with somebody in case any one of you breaks down, so you go and assist them. Not that it's going to happen, like, but you never know. And that's what's happening now. So we are going to head that way when he comes. Tony is 40 minutes late now because he was rescuing a dog that fell in the weaver.